Hey, my name is Jason Rhea, and these are my three audience members: Bailey, Cole, and Evan Drake. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to successfully catch fish on rod and reel. Fishing is a very popular activity at both the hobby and professional level, and is one of the most difficult sports to master effectively. Two main components that go into this are choosing the right location and choosing the right bait and tackle. From personal experience, I've been fishing since I was 5 years old, and my biggest saltwater catch was a wahoo at around 60 pounds. My biggest freshwater catch was a northern pike at around 20. With your best interest at heart, I'm going to teach you guys how to catch fish by first selecting a location and then choosing the right bait and tackle. Location being the first step. When you're choosing a body of water, you need to make sure it has a fish population. This may seem simple and easy, but as Maggie Chan states, a wide range of biological, regulatory, economic, and cultural factors can influence where anglers choose to fish. The first task when choosing a location is to select a target species. This is important because fish prefer different climates, salinity, and sizes of water. This is going to narrow down your research because fish can live anywhere in the world, and you need to pinpoint something that's close to home. For example, bluefin tuna. They're most active during the hot summer months. They require high salinity and large bodies of water. So when selecting your species and your bodies of water, you need to make sure that the bodies of water you pick coincide with the needs of that fish. Tools you can use to do this would be Google Maps, fishing blogs, and recent social media posts. The key factor in this is that the information needs to be up to date and current, as fish move around a lot and travel in big schools for spawning and other purposes. What you're going to do with these locations you found is list them out and rank them on the likeness that they match with your fish's needs. It's also important not to forget the means of transportation, as if you're taking a boat to a lake, you need to make sure that it has a boat ramp. While choosing the location is extremely important, choosing the right bait and tackle makes the biggest difference. A common misconception is that bait and tackle are synonymous, where bait is alive and your tackle is artificial. According to the fisheries research, not only can you fail at catching a fish based on location, but using the incorrect method can result in mortality induced by hooking injuries. With the safety of fish in your mind, you're going to want to research the type of bait that is most common in the body of water you selected and also coincides with your fish's diet. When using lures and tackle, you want to take the exact same approach by finding the diet of the target fish and choosing your tackle to mimic that diet in shape, color, and size. Another thing to add is the strength of the line should match the weight of the fish you're trying to catch. Also, the transparency of the line should match the water color you're fishing in. Although rod and reel fishing may seem to be a lengthy and difficult task with all the research you have to do, research is your best friend and is going to lead you to being the most successful fisherman. In conclusion, I hope with the information I gave you today is going to be able to make you a more successful fisherman, and through the methods of choosing a location and using the right bait and tackle, you're going to land your next fish more efficiently. While quality and weight is not everything to fishing, I hope the information and the stuff I taught you today leads you to beating my personal best. Thank you. And again, these are my three audience members: Bailey, Cole, and Evan Drake.
Time to go fishing.